everyone, and welcome back to the Liliana and Maria Show. Today we are actually doing a 10-minute challenge again, but this time we are doing each other's drag makeup. So for this episode, Maria will be doing my drag makeup, and we will set the timer for 10 minutes. Before we do begin, I think that I'm going to put on my wig cap. Of course, a wig is included in the 10-minute challenge, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on.
A little nervous.
Oh. Side note, Maria doesn't like doing people's makeup. The Liliana and Maria Show. Meow!
Ready?
No?
Okay.
Brows. Oh. Powder right here.
Okay.
Okay, everyone calm down.
There's so much powder. Where is this all coming from? Where's my other brush? Oh, my big fluffy brush. Oh dear.
You need to cover it with this probably. Yeah.
This?
I usually do that because it's thick.
Where's your camera gone
I
fly?
couldn't find it.
Which one is this? I don't even know. That was a lot.
I love your panic. This makes me feel super safe. I can't even see what I look like because I don't have my glasses on.
That's good. You don't want to see what you look like right now? Now, powder again.
Beat the face.
Alright. Let's,
Yeah, that one's really hard to.
did you hear that? Okay.
Yum. It's the time. Ew.
We are at 5:44. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And this is just the base.
Just go right for the contour.
Oh god. Oh god.
Here, this is what. There you go.
Oh, it's gonna be too dark. Okay. Eyeshadow.
Yeah, just go for the boldest color.
I didn't even set anything. Nothing is set there.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
My eyebrows. I need to put pencils right there. Oh dear.
I'm gonna try eyeliner.
Oh dear. I'm trying not to laugh.
This side is harder to do. What's on my hand? Oh god. Okay.
I feel like you went way higher on that one.
Yep, I'm gonna even it out. Oh god.
Giving me a heart attack.
Scared. Oh god. Eyebrows. Why is it so hard to color on here?
This pencil needs to be retired.
But when everyone uses it, it looks hilarious. Because it's just drawn on like a cartoon character. Like right now. This thing's not even sharpened.
Which one is it? Yours or mine?
It's yours. I don't have a pencil. Oh my god. Okay. Let me just say one. Blush. 152? Oh gosh, I don't even don't have lips.
Oh, okay.
Alright, here we go.
They're,
I don't want to put lipstick on people.
well, I don't know how I did time.
Oh. Okay, wait. I don't have time for lashes. Where's the other one?
It's right there. They're pretty.
There's a hair on it. There's a hair.
It's fine.
Oh my gosh, 1 minute.
Yeah, you can put them on. Oh,
Okay, watch out. Oh, watch the lips. Oh my gosh, 48 seconds.
you got this.
24 seconds. 23. What else is missing?
I didn't even put nothing on your bottom lash.
What? I feel like this is falling.
I don't know what to do.
Well. Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes your lash. No, you gotta leave it now. Okay. Oh.
My. Whoa. Actually, this blue is really pretty.
Look at that lash. It's falling right off.
Oh.
Oh.
I feel like I've seen a few people like this at the club.
Okay, so that was me doing Lily's 10-minute drag makeup challenge. Your eyes look so droopy.
I'm sad.
Oh my gosh, you look so sad because I did your makeup.
Next week, you will see the video where I actually do Maria's makeup, the 10-minute challenge. Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share.
Yes.
Follow us on all our social medias.
Yes, that's Facebook, Instagram.
And that's
That's
it.
We'll get there. Maybe we should start Twitter.
And remember, if you can't laugh at yourself,
How the hell do you live?
transfer you open your eye.